Hello, this is an STM32 project which capture RF remote control signals and extract their codes. We have here an STM32 board and also a project which allows this ability to my STM board. And also this is a Windows application which connects the STM32 board to get, save, and manage the captured signal using USB cables. While scanning the signals, their codes are stored and saved in this file. At the moment, we have only one captured signals here. Okay. Let's scan the codes by pressing scan and save button. Now I press OK. Now I start. Start here. I use the code here. Set signal data. Code uploaded successfully. Okay. And now I press this button. The door open. Again. Door was open. Thank you for watching.
Okay, let's take a look at another features of this program. I can capture the RF signals in the environment. I press start, and everyone I press my remote control button, I receive the signals. I can capture it, and save it under a special name. For example, I can also get the parameters stored in my STM board as a transmitting and receiving parameters, and I can change them and upload new setting for transmitter and receiver. I can stop scanning the environment by pressing stop.